Alright, so I thought maybe I'd get back in the YouTube game for a little while. Kind of missed it. Let's try it again. So, pardon me if this is a really cringy video, but we're gonna try anyway. So, y'all stay along. We're hooking the boat up now, and go catch some bass. Alright, we made it out, and but we're about to get it. See if we can catch us a couple bass. Y'all stick around. Alright, just pull up the first spot. Not really where I want to be yet, but just thought I'd come in here because I've caught some in here before in the summer. Just keep them honest. Missed that one. Alright, first spot was kind of a bust, so I'm gonna go hit some deep stuff and then go check the juice. And then by that time, it'll probably be the end of the day, so got 2 more spots, well probably 3 or 4 more spots, and then juice, and then we're leaving. So. Got that one. There's a fish. So I didn't have any, oh, come here little buddy. Stop it, stop it, stop it. So I didn't have any little finesse worms like I normally use. And so I improvised to a little speed worm, if you can see that. On just a little bit of shaky head, and yeah, catch you a 12-incher. So, anyways, throw this guy back, and get the next one. See you, dude. That came off. Lost another. I don't think that one got the hook. I don't think, but you never know. I've only got 2 of these worms left. That's alright though, because we'll just throw something else at them if they stop biting that. Daggone it. I cannot believe I missed that one. That one had it good too. I need to go out a little bit and kind of just work out here. So, anyways, put another worm on, try it again. Alright, so I went to like the sneak holes as I call them. And now we're going to get on some grass, maybe just trope through here. We'll keep it up, see if we can find the end of this grass, and we'll go from there. So here we go. Holy moly, look at that. It's a good prop bait. Somebody left me a prop bait. How about that? Isn't that sweet of them? Look at that little sucker. Grab this thing. Oh yeah. Left me a nice. Somebody left me a prop bait. Can you believe that? Look at that. Heck yeah. Alright. See that one there? It's just a bonus fish. Not really up on the juice yet, just kind of throwing down the bank, seeing what we can find. Obviously didn't want to run the motor all through that, so I thought, we'll just troll through here and see what we can find. And it paid off, so, man, he's got it good too. Little sucker. Sweet. All right. See you, dude. Ho, 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 ho. That is exactly why you throw a DC. Otherwise, I would have totally just exploded that reel. Jeezy Pete. Alright, so update. I kind of went without a bite for about 2-3 hours. And I finally changed back to the game plan I originally started with. It was just working a spook on the outside of these grass mats. And so here we go. I ran up the creek, didn't do good. There wasn't no shad, nothing in there, so I just turned around and left. And then, so I came back here, and now looks like they're busting on shad a little more now. So, anyways, should get bit here soon, so y'all keep watching. Don't leave yet. Don't leave yet. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and make the outro for this video, because I don't know if I'm going to catch another one or not. But it has been rough, like real rough. Like I got 4 bites and landed 2 of them, so it was not fun. I'm gonna make another little stop up here and maybe 2 more stops on the way out and see if I can't get one more. But I thought I'd go ahead and make the outro while I still had a little light. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I promise I'll try to catch more the next time. We'll see. But we definitely not come back here. But anyways, till the next time. Thanks for watching. We're out of here. Gah! Why have I lost so many daggone fish out of there? Oh, I got him. Yeah, I got him, alright. Daggone it. There's freaking 2 fish I've lost out of that freaking tree.